Yes, Masora Semuri Zimbabwe. Welcome to Hot Zim Trends, where the news comes first, right? Nasika taswira tiko ku UFIC aiwaka. Tezingaziwa kuti church kunokwanisa kunakidza zvakadai, especially kune tuma activities kwakadai so. Unokanganwa kuti uri church. Right? Zvikuratidza izvo kuti 1 million yaramba kutoreka. Kumaprofita auya ng'anga nevaruti vese hapana kana ani zvake akwanisa kufembera zvinhu zviri mupockets etrousers raProfit Makandiwa. Right? Pazvinhu zvinhu zviri mutrousers iri mapockets zvinosanganisira mabinoculars. Right? Toyo that thing reke orange. I mean not ndekeke but carry in the medical field. Right? Toenda futi mouth freshener inge iri mufuti mapockets aya. Tabva ipapo clinical thermometer inge iri mufuti mamo. Toyo ka test kit, ka HIV test kit kengaremo. Tozopeserawo ne wifi antenna inge irimo imomo. But pane vanhu vese vapuwa mapepa kuti vange vachinyora zvinge zvirimo. Vamwe havana kutombonyora vangu vachiti menye musina chinhu. Vamwe ndo vanyorawo vati mune chinhu chimwe chete 1 vamwe vakati 2 zvinge zvakaoma makwengu chinakidza. But chashamisa ruzhinji kure vanhu vauya vacho for part of these prophets hapana kana 1 anozikanwa. Ndofunga tese tinoziva kana ari maprophets emuno muZimbabwe toziva kuti kuna Prophet Freddy, Prophet Miracle Paul, Prophet Java, Prophet Cupid Angel, but hapana kana dzingava n'anga tinoziva kuti kuna Zvikuratidza and the whole lot of ng'anga dzirimo muno muZimbabwe, but hapana kana akwanisa kuuya ende zvakarewozvo vanhu vacho vauya ava havanyatsi kuzivikanwa munyaya idzi dzekuningirikina idzi. Saka ndinoda kuti muiwo mucomment section mupewo pfungwa dzenyu kuti chingava chiri chii, but please don't forget to subscribe and like to Hot Zim Trends so that we continue giving you more updates. I love you.
All right, thank you so much. I think all of our participants are ready and they have introduced themselves, so we may be seated. Thank you so much. So we are going to give them an opportunity to look into whatever is concealed here. Okay? So let them come. Allow
them to come and stand right here in the front.
Okay?
This is my trousers.
You left here. You know right here.
You just come and tell me that there is this thing in the trousers. Come and line up right here in the front. Come and line up right here in the front.
Twitter makamera edanga achibuditsa zvakanaka. Please.
Allow them to have a decent space between each other.
This whole place is for you, please. So
that when you're doing what you're doing, no one will steal from you. All of them know that
they become a bit physical.
Someone they get physical. So can we have at least 2 strong ushers right here on the podium? If there's nothing, if there's something in there, that's it. That's the end of it for you.
Kana mine one ukati mune zviviri
If there
zvatopera.
is one thing and you say there are two things, that's it. That's the end for you.
All right, so please, Pastor, can I have my papers? I want to
Mufundisi, can you give me the papers?
furidzira. I want to
He's got his snuff and
go ahead. Go ahead, zvamari kudya.
go ahead, you can go ahead and
Very
eat
good,
what
Chica.
you want to eat. He's
So, Roman, please, this paper screen.
eating. Please, can you put these papers on the screen?
This paper, but I told you. But I'm going to try to kutsimbirira. Ballpoint ndo iri papa iyo.
Right one.
Vanongozvomora apa.
The ballpoint is there.
Vonyora zita rako apa.
They write their name or right on top
Vonyora zita rako nesurname apa.
and your surname.
Zvatopera then wochindisira chawaona apa.
Then
Unongoti
you
one.
put what you've seen there. You
Unongoti
itemize
one.
one.
Please. Unongoti one womba wanyora zita racho.
You itemize them one. and you write what you've seen.
Handisi kuda zvipende. Tataurirana
I want you to
tapedzera.
write straightforwardly.
Taura zita rechinhu.
You name the thing as it is.
Hatisi kutsanangura chinozodai kana wakada
We
description
are not
zvakaona.
explaining too
But
much.
zita racho.
I just want the name of the thing.
Dorida as it is. Don't worry about spelling. Chireka kanganisika.
Don't worry about the spelling.
It's still okay. Saka wonyora do mapepa. Saka please ndipiriwo hama dzedu.
Can you give
Peni
them
yako iri
these papers?
ipapo. Kana vangu ready kunyora kana wakatoratidzwa musi weTuesday.
If you are ready to
Wotonyora.
write, even if
Wakaona
you
before Sunday. Wonyora zita rako.
write your name,
Wonyora zvauri kupiwa.
and you write what you're seeing.
Zvirimu. Kana musingakwanisi kunyora.
You can't write.
Wawauya naye uye watakati uya naye. Izvi tiri kuitira kuti ukataura makakunzwa anokopa. Nyora izvenyu
You are free to write
zvamuri kuratidzwa.
what you are being shown.
Please, let us all be quiet. Let's respect this moment.
Ngatinyararei tose, ngatiremekedzei nguva yatave mairi.
Hatisi kuda munhu wedu anotaura newe kana wakunyora anokuvhiringidza
We don't
kana
want any one of
kukudzimisa.
us who will talk to
Usazoti
you.
ndanzi. Tora nguva yako.
Take your time.
Hatisi kukumhanyisai.
We are not rushing you to this
At this
exercise.
point, even ukada 1 hour tinokumirira.
Even if you require an hour, we are patient to wait for you.
Rambai makamira nemunhu ari kukubatsirai, it's okay. Ngaaramba akamira nemi kana muchibatsirwa kunyora.
Stand with whoever is helping
Ngaaregedze
you.
kudzokera
If they are
zvakangonaka,
helping
rambai
you
muri
to
pamwe
write,
chete. Sanyaya kuwadisturb aka.
Please don't disturb them. Please don't disturb them.
Sadisturb itirai kure.
You can zoom from afar.
So one of my friend prophet is going to come from these people. Today. And all of them are confident of what they've seen and of what they can see. Uniform huyai.
You just said come. I think most of them are done, but some are still in the process. You are free to write whatever you're seeing. Write as many.
Sagana nacho.
I want you, after finished writing, right at the bottom of the last item, you underline. You put a line just under your last item, so that there's no opportunity of adding something that you had not written earlier.
Yeah.
Let's patiently wait for those who are still writing. Nothing wrong in writing things in spirit.
Muchinge mapedza zvenyu munogona kugadzika mapepa enyu pasi pamberi penyu makakwidibira kwidibira zvenyu kana uchida kusiya chakavhurika nekuti neballpoint yacho nekuti hakuna achakotama zvekare achizononga. Kana muchinge mapedza munongoisa pasi.
Finished, you can just place what you've written down. You can close it if you want.
Kuroti pavanhu vese vakamira hapana chakotama zvekare hapana chawana mukana ndikuona munhu wese anyora.
No one is going to get another opportunity to bend. I can see everyone has written.
All right. So the first segment yatinoda kudhila nayo
so that I don't waste your time, the first segment that I want to deal with is
Diana Nyora 1.
Is there anyone who wrote one thing? Is there anyone who wrote one thing?
Okay, ndokumbira kuti mungosuduruka kumashure mbichana.
Can you just step back?
Kana vanyora
a
chinhu
bit?
chimwe chete.
If you wrote one thing,
Okay. Ndisuduruke futi zvekare.
you can step back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mazvita,
Ndiyandanyora zvinhu zviviri.
who has written two things?
Okay. Kumbira musuduruke zvekare.
Can you step back a bit?
Okay, ndiyandanyora zvinhu zvitatu.
Who has written three things?
Simudzai ruoko rwenyu kana manyora zvinhu
You can
zvitatu.
raise your hand if you have written three
Nasosimudzisai vanhu
things.
vakuonei kana manyora
Can you
zvinhu
raise it
zvitatu.
high so that people can see?
Okay, sudurukai zvenyu zvishoma.
Can you step back a bit?
Rambai muri pamberi pemangirikini enyu, mabhodzi enyu, even wasuduruka.
Stay in front of your board.
Ndiyandanyora zvinhu zvina or four
Who
things.
has written four things?
Alright, sudurukai zvenyu mudzokere kumashure
Can you
zvishoma.
step back a bit?
Dzokerei kumashure. Zvishanu tapa 5.
Is there anyone who has written
Anyora
five
5
things?
zvinhu pananyora 5.
Is there anyone who has written five things?
Hapana, pananyora 6
No one?
zvinhu.
Is there anyone who has written six?
Hapana, nyora 6.
Anyone who
Pananyora
wrote
7
Anyone who wrote seven?
zvinhu.
Seven things?
Hapana, pananyora 8
Has anyone written eight things?
zvinhu.
Eight things?
Hapana, pananyora 9.
Has anyone written nine things?
Hapana, 10
10?
zvinhu. Oh, pananyora kuti hamuna.
Is there anyone who has written that there is nothing? in
Okay,
the trousers?
vatatu ava. Okay, sudurukai
got
kumashure
three.
zvishoma.
So can you step back a bit?
Havati hamuna zvirimo. Tapa chi 11, 12.
Where are we now?
12. Tapa 11.
Is there anyone who has
11.
written 11 items?
12,
12 items?
13,
13?
14,
14?
15,
15?
16,
16?
17,
17?
18,
18?
19,
19?
20,
20?
21,
21?
22,
22?
23,
23?
24, katerere, 25,
25?
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Right, number iyi yaramba ichingokwira saka tichazodzwa nevaridzi. Ndanda kusvika iri panumber.
Was I close to the number?
Alright, tichazodzwa kwavari kuti
We hear from you.
chikonzero ndechei.
But what is their reason?
Alright. Alright. Oro pane zvandisina kunyatsotavara mushe.
Or did I not explain
Pastor
something clearly to you?
imbonzwai kuitira kuti tingoziva kuti
Pastor, can
kana
you?
nhamba ichiriko ndinokontinya.
Hanzi hazviverengeki zvandakanyora.
Hazviverengeki.
He said the things that are written are innumerable. There are so many.
Ewa hapano tinoverenga, tinotozviverenga,
Here we have the capacity to read, to count.
tinozviverenga musatityire zvenyu.
We have got the capacity to count whatever you've written.
Alright. Okay. Pane uyu mubvunzo, it says just a question.
Ngori mubvunzo uyu.
Pane anyorawo mabinoculars.
Has anyone written binoculars?
Chinonzi binoculars,
Something
mabinoculars.
called
Zvezvi
binoculars.
zvinoonesa zviri kure.
Things that you use to zoom things that are far off.
Pane anyora. Handi mubvunzo. Please,
This is just a general question. The
mubvunzo
porter-
chete,
I'm
ndinongopa
just
mubvunzo.
asking this general question, please.
Alright, pane asingazivi anonzi mabinocular.
Does any one of you not know what binoculars are?
vese vanoziva. Alright, vanoziva mabinoculars kunzai maoko yedu.
Those who know binoculars, you can show by raising your hands.
Vese vanoziva mabinoculars.
All of them prove to know binoculars.
All right. All right. So, imi ndimuri kuziva zvinhu zvamanyora.
So you know what you wrote.
Saka zvatichaita,
What we'll do is
tichangobuditsa chinhu pamwe chimwe chete.
we are going to bring out probably one thing.
Kana pasina naichocho, hapasina need yekuti titombo.
If there's no one who wrote that, there's no need for us to continue bringing out things.
All right. So, mambenge muchida kuparticipate kai.
You wanted to participate earlier.
But beside batch.
Can you remove
Beside
your jacket?
Kana shirt chaiyo kana mune chinhu mukati. T-shirt. Mune t-shirt.
You have a t-shirt inside.
Yeah. Beside. What they say on this?
Please help him remove.
Yes, beside watching. Yeah, beside ring here.
Including your ring, your
Where are you
wristwatch.
going to
You can now come forward, please.
I'm not sure to remove.
Do you have
Beside
anything in your
remove.
pockets? Please empty your pockets.
All right. Sumudzai ruoko rwenyu, please.
Can you raise your hands? Raise your hands.
Fambai muchibva uko.
Can you walk from the right
Uri padhuze nevana. Kuti muone maoko ake.
I want you to look at his hands. If there's anything in
Mune
his hands.
chii.
Is there anything on or in his hands?
Fambai henyu muchiuya.
You can walk slowly, coming, showing them your hands.
Wangopedza kuonekwa maoko ako ibva wasumudza mudenga usagadzike pasi.
After you've shown your hands to them, raise them high up.
Chibva wasumudza maoko ako uya nawo maoko ako kuno.
Raise your hands. Come with your hands to the front. With your hands raised.
Saka this is the moment andoda kuti we are very very careful.
This is the moment that we want to be very careful.
Ndizvoka. This is the right pocket. Musamhanye, hapana chokumhanyira.
Don't rush, there's nothing to
Saka
rush.
munesa ruoko rwenyu unobata chamunenge mabata imomo.
You put your hand in there and
Mochibuditsa. Ima mukotame munozomhanya kuda kunozo. Pamwe matonyora kudhara saka.
probably you've written already. Take
Saka
your time.
zvishoma nezvishoma.
Slowly put your hand there.
Kana paine mumwe kuti titi andichada kubata ini napa. Ndikuda kuti zvive as clear as possible
I want
to the
to
public. Vamwe munotarisa ipascreen, vamwe munotarisa ipapa
Some
fair
you
fair.
can look at the screen.
Ndava
some
izvo
you can
zvatiwo nemagetsi mukatizvo. Kana ipapa kana pascreen.
You can look directly at the
Alright,
trousers.
saka munoisa ruoko rwenyu
So you put your hand in the
muhomwe
trousers.
yerudyi zvishoma
The
nezvishoma.
right.
Usarugadzike zvako pasi zvishoma nezvishoma ngarupi. Usabate nemaoko tu.
Don't touch with two.
Panozoti kwanga kuine chimwe kusero. Isako ruoko rwako imomo.
Put your hand in the pocket slowly.
All right. Now, please hear me. Hear me.
This way.
This is not a toy.
This is a toy.
Is a toy.
This is not a toy.
We can take this through the courts and they verify Mapropa. Binocular.
These are proper pair of binoculars.
All right.
Naga.
All right. Mira hii makadam. All right. Please, say.
Let's listen attentively.
Right. So far.
Parisino.
So far.
Parisino.
Are
we still in agreement that none of you wrote a pair of binoculars? Is there anyone who wrote a pair of binoculars?
All right.
What does this mean?
All right. All right. Hear me. Azireve, please.
This
doesn't mean that these people are fake. I'm going to show you something. It doesn't mean that these people are fake. That is not the point. So please bear with me. Bear with me, please. Bear with me. So, mapepaya.
The second thing,
number is is 6.
The number of the things in the trousers is 6.
Pana yora 6.
Is there anyone who wrote 6 things?
Pana 6.
There's no one who wrote 6 items.
Cherodai 97. Hapana yora G.
Even if I had written 7, no one wrote 7 things.
Mapepa tinadira kuti tiachengete.
We need these papers for the record.
Let's look
at the next thing that is going to be taken out of the trousers, whether someone put your hands slowly. We'll give you the names of the things after the exercise. Raise it up. We'll give you the name of this thing. You can place it there. Right, proceed again. Put your hand back in the pocket.
Mouth is a screen.
Put it on the screen. That's a mouth freshener. Did anyone write a mouth freshener? Did anyone write a mouth freshener? May say that is fetish. No one wrote that. You can place it down, put back your hand right back in the trousers. Doctors, what is that?
Thermometer.
It's a thermometer. Did any one of you write a thermometer? None of you. You can put it down. You can put it down. Does anyone know what this thing is?
zvese zvine chekuita nekutesta zvese test kit iyo inozivikanwa. Hapana nyora test kit.
That is known. Did any one of you write a test kit?
Hapana nyora zvekare. Sainyu zvekare muhomwe. Dzosera yenyu zvekare tuone.
You can put your hand back in the trousers, in the pocket.
Iyo nyasoka bendesa iso kaonekwe kuti kanoshanda sei. Vanoziva vazi kabendesa kanochikoka nepapa. Bendesai. Pana anoziva kuti chiicho.
Does anyone know what this thing is?
Inonzi chiiko iyo.
What is this?
Antenna kana aerial.
It's an antenna or aerial.
Hapana.
No one wrote an antenna or an aerial. You can put it down.
Right. Buritsai chimwe tuone. Buritsai chimwe futi tuone chirimo.
Bring out something else. Can you remove the trousers from there, please? Can you turn it upside down? Of everything that came out of the pocket, there is not even one of you who saw any one of the 6 items. Can you move forward a bit? Bring out the pockets, turn it upside down. Turn it inside out so that we can see inside once more. Parade it right from the end, coming this side. Ask them to see whether it's still the same trousers or not.
This is supposed to be happening in church. For your own information, knowledge.
Some of you don't have knowledge.
There are certain churches where they actually do this.
They do it in certain churches. This exercise we are having here. They no longer want to touch these trousers.
All right, fambai.
You can walk through.
All right. So, tanga kuverenga mapepa enyu. It's not for that. We are not here to humiliate anybody. For your own information, inini, I'm part of you, Ipapa. Inini, if I was standing there writing, I was going to miss this. This is something that I cannot see. Okay? Okay, all right. Yeah, I think
I think they've seen. You can walk through.
This doesn't mean kuti. This doesn't mean kuti
This doesn't mean that these people cannot see.
And it doesn't mean kuti hapana mafake.
And it also doesn't mean that there are no fake seers here.
All right. You people in Mbondudzai, how about their confidence? What have you seen? All right. So, even if I'd put one item, it was confirmed that no one was ever going to see that. I didn't need to put the rest. but I wanted to increase my chances ekuti at least anoona anoonawo
at least one or see one of the items.
But now what is strange is that these people have written things that they have seen. Yet those things are not here. Yet they have seen things. All right. So it means this exercise ndoba yatofira haina kwaichaenda unless paine mumwe anofungira kuti vachazoya nemwe kona yakati nekona yakati, but sina kuita zviri clear. How many of you can agree with me that we have done it fairly and it's transparent? All right. Panemi mauya maparticipant.
From you, the participants.
Pane anofila kuti ndabirirwa.
Is there anyone who feels that they've been cheated?
Yaitwa chitsotsi.
There's been a trickery that has been unleashed on them.
Mese muri kugutsikana here kuti zvaitwa zviri fair?
Are you all satisfied that the exercise was done fairly?
All right. Pane here anofila. Pane here. All right. Hear me.
This way.
Vamwe vanogona kunzwa kuti nzvimbo haisi kundiitira zvakanaka.
Some may feel uncomfortable.
Ndingazoda kuita zvekare ndiri away from this place.
Probably I would want to do this exercise.
Vada kuzombotraya futi. Munoda kuzombowingwa muri penyu.
This gentleman wants to
muri
try.
pamuzinda wenyu muchinyatsoita chaizvo.
In another environment which is not here.
Magetsi akuvhiringidzai. Chokwadi magetsi anozviita mari.
The beaming and the lights confused.
Magetsi avavhiringidza zvokuti vazoaona vapedza kuti mune magetsi muno. Vapedza kunyora. All right. So if you want us to this thing, okay. So what we are going to do, imimi,
there's nothing else that you are going to write on the paper. You can go back to where you're sitting.
Unless by